More than 50 years ago, in 1971, the late Professor Paul Berg, then chair of the biochemistry department at Stanford University, combined the DNAs of two different viruses to create the first so-called recombinant DNA. In the process of doing so, he generated an entirely new and artificial virus and, wittingly or not, opened the doors to a transformation of biology that would change the world. The new biology was marked by the ability of humans to modify nature in previously unimaginable ways. Soon after Berg's announcement, scientists started reprogramming other organisms by using recombinant DNA technology, so that the creatures they altered would do things that they could not do in nature. They made bacteria that produced human insulin, cotton plants that were resistant to pestilent insects, and goats that discharged spider silk into their milk. In short order, bookish biologists were being courted by venture capitalists and multinational companies, and researchers went from being merely curious about how the world functioned to trying to profit from their newfound recognition. As a result, pure biology developed into commercial biology, and the participants became interested in monetizing it. And as biologists were inventing all sorts of newfangled organisms, they became acquainted with patents. The gap between generating essential biological knowledge at universities or other research centers and creating commercial products is hard to surmount without patents. Absent patent protection to give the pioneers a few years of breathing room in the form of exclusivity, most of the work involved in bringing innovative products to the public would not get done. Abraham Lincoln, an inventor in his own right and one of our most eloquent presidents, had high praise for the U.S. patent system. In 1858, he commented that patents added the fuel of interest to the fire of genius. I'm a patent attorney. For 4 decades, I have represented clients from all walks of commercial biology, whether individuals, companies, or universities. I have advocated for a plethora of technologies, whether relatively small biological improvements or Nobel Prize-winning inventions. The legal, commercial, and social debates surrounding the patenting of biological materials, whether living single cells, whole plants or animals, or the inert molecules which they produce or from which they are made, are the subjects of this book.